This is part 2 session of how to maintain general ledger segment values. In part 1 we went through maintaining the account segment values. In part 2 we will see maintenance of other segment values like company, region, line of business, cost center, etc. So we are in 2AM global, and let's go to setup, financials, flux field, key, values, and let's select value set, and let's select our let's see how we can make changes to the company segment values. Let's add a new value, 5,000. M5 global. Field is by default enabled, and then go to tab, and you can always end date the segment value, and the segment qualifier basically are two, allow budgeting, allow posting, and we'll say yes to both of them. Primarily involves putting a value, account numbers, and then selecting the qualifier, and also selecting the parent and parent if it is a parent company. Now let's look at the others, like for example, let's go to cost center, and add a value 600 as ALES sales, and the process is same, allow posting, allow budget, we'll say yes, and then let's select another segment, line of feature. Basically it has got only one default value of 000. Intercompany is the same as the company segment value set. Then line of business, we add a new line of business, 600. We'll call it as medical, and yes. So the last one for us would be region, and I'm going to add a new region, 7,000, called Australia. Tab, yes, save, close this. So it will compile the four segment. Let's look at the request, find, so it is completed the compilation. So let's go to journal and query and see whether we see these values or not. New journal, company, we see M5 global, which we added. In the cost center we see sales cost center, which we added, and in line of business we added medical, and in region we added Australia. So all the segment values we added to company, cost center, line of business, and region are added. So this is how you add segment values.